Ladies and gents, boys and girls, today we're going to be doing a Coca-Cola and Mentos experiment. We have our Coca-Cola, Google recommended 2 litres, so we got 2 litres. Our Mentos, Google reckons we should have 5 of these bad boys. So that's what we're going to do, and let me set up real quick. You know that sound. To make this experiment fair, if I haven't told you already earlier on in the video, we're gonna just do what the Google recommended amount is, and yeah, just in case I forget. Right, getting our Mentos open. We need 5 Mentos, which is pretty insane if you ask me. Because 5, that's a relatively big number, but we will make this work. Since the last time it did not, and that was a shame. I figured out where we went wrong, caught it, and whoa! It actually worked. Hold up, chat. That's insane. Wait, let's add the rest. Shit, man. It don't let you get all the Mentos in. Where's these notes? That was sick. It's still flowing out. The experiment is, unfortunately, we only had 2, so that's that, but it's still fizzing, and the experiment is which would make a better volcano. Let us know what you thought of that, because I personally think that's insane. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now for the second experiment, the baking powder and the vinegar experiment. Now, from what I've been told, what you will do is take your vinegar out, pour something into your cup, not too much, but not too less, I'll say we had a little bit more. That's what finish it. So we got it in, that is squiggly. Alright, where's oh chat, we're having some technical difficulties. Okay, that's it, but we got it out. Just gonna move back. It's said to do like a spoon and a bit, so I'll go like this, and then we add it in, and as you can see, chat, it fizzes. Now the whole point of this is that you're meant to have a little bit more, but this is all we had, and the whole point is it like explodes out. So I'm curious to know, overall, imagine, right, it would fizz out. Overall, which experiment do you think would be a better volcano? A Coca-Cola and Mento, or a baking soda and vinegar? Let us know. We'll judge by the comments, and we'll see you all in the next one.